Hi, I'm Kyle from Coates, and I'm going to be walking you through your Coates alignment pre-install checklist. One of the first considerations when performing the pre-installation inspection for your new Coates aligner is what type of alignment lift you're going to be using. Several options exist. We recommend either a 4-post or a scissor alignment lift for performing light-duty alignments on most vehicles. Using a scissor lift is a preferred method because it may give the cameras on your Coates 3D alignment system a better view of the targets for wide vehicles. If you don't currently have a suitable alignment lift for your new Coates 3D aligner, visit www.coatescompany.com and use our lift comparison tool to find a lift that's right for you. Whether or not your current alignment lift is utilizing rolling bridge jacks is another important thing to think about. Rolling bridge jacks are hydraulic or air-operated jacks that roll in between the runways of your alignment lift. They allow a technician to perform raised adjust mode and also perform various repairs that are alignment related to the vehicle. The types of vehicles you're going to be aligning on your alignment lift is an important thing to think about. If you want to be aligning long vehicles such as crew cab, long box trucks, it's important that your lift be able to accommodate that vehicle's wheelbase plus enough space for the vehicle to roll back and roll forward and perform proper rolling compensation. The weight of the vehicles that you intend on aligning with your alignment lift is also critical to consider. You must have an alignment lift that is able to lift the vehicles that you intend to align with your alignment lift. The length of your alignment lift runways is important in order to accommodate the wheelbase of the vehicles that you intend to align. This measurement is taken from the front of the runway all the way to the back of the runway, not including approach ramps. The runways of your alignment lift must not only be level, but they must also be straight. An alignment lift that has any twisting or bumps may give inaccurate readings to the alignment machine. When checking if your alignment lift is level, use a 4-foot bubble level or laser level to determine whether or not your lift is level from side to side and front to back.
No more than 1/32 of an inch or 3 millimeters is allowed between turn plates, bridges, and the runway surface.
Your new Coates 3D aligner requires one 115 volt outlet in the vicinity of the alignment machine. Any 3D aligner requires a certain amount of distance between the cameras on the aligner and the center of the turn plates. An easy way to measure this is to simply measure from the cameras to the front edge of the lift and then add the measurement from the center of the turn plate to the leading edge of the lift. Remember to take a look at the floor wherever you intend to install your new Coates 3D aligner. A floor that has a floor drain or excessive slope may cause the machine to be out of level, producing irregular readings. Be sure to watch out for a bay door that faces the sun in the afternoon or morning that may put excessive sunlight into the alignment bay, not allowing the aligner to view the targets clearly. The area around the alignment machine must be clear of obstructions such as toolboxes, shelves, trash cans, or any other obstructions. Remember, we do have an electronic tracking camera beam that needs to be able to travel the full height of the machine to operate properly. In the area where you intend on installing your Coates 3D alignment machine, we need to be sure that there's no large fans that are blowing air across the front of the machine that could cause the cameras to move and give irregular readings. In addition to fans, watch out for heaters, radiant tube heaters, and other forced air heating devices that can cause radiant heat waves obscuring the aligner's view of the targets. Using a bubble level, place the level across the surface of the turn plate and the runway. That surface must be level within 1/8 of an inch. Turn plate bridges that bridge the gap between the runway surface and the alignment turn plate must also be present to perform rolling compensation on any 3D aligner. The surface of the turn plate must be level with that of the alignment surface or the runway. We also need to make sure that all locking pins are present and tight in turn plates and slip plates. With the pins removed from your turn plates, make sure that the turn plates are able to move freely without obstructions or binding. Once you're finished evaluating your alignment bay and your alignment lift, be sure to remember to attach any necessary photos or notes to the survey. Once you hit the red button to submit at the bottom of the survey, you will receive a copy of the survey in your inbox. We look forward to installing your new Coates 3D aligner in your shop.